next, we present the honorary award to Dr. Muralidhara Sharma. I now invite Dr. Prasanna Shankar, Medical Director of IAIM and Associate Professor TDU, to read the citation.
Sir, it's an honor to read out this citation. I've been your student, so it's an absolute honor to read this out. Dr. Muralidhar Sharma is a distinguished Ayurveda Acharya who has inspired generations of undergraduate and postgraduate Ayurveda students to practice authentic Ayurveda, and thousands of citizens of Udupi, Temple Town, to avail low-cost, ethical, and effective Ayurveda treatments. Dr. Muralidhar Sharma pursued his graduate degree in SDM College of Ayurveda, Udupi, and completed his postgraduate studies in surgery at the Faculty of Ayurveda, Banaras Hindu University from Shalya Tantra. He is currently engaged as Professor Emeritus at SDM Ayurveda College and Hospitals, Kutpadi, Udupi, and private practitioner in the city of Udupi. Dr. Sharma has worked in various capacities such as lecturer, reader, professor, and head of department and the medical superintendent of the SDM Ayurveda College, Udupi, and guided several postgraduate scholars, published many papers. He has served as a member of several committees of the Ayush CCIM as an expert member. He is a popular teacher, an excellent surgeon, and unlike usual academics, is also respected Ayurveda practitioner both in college and in private practice in Udupi, where he is known for his clinical acumen and extremely ethical services. This DLED sir is in recognition of his exceptional knowledge, contributions to Ayurveda education, research, and services to public. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Dr. Muralidhara Sharma to the dais. I request Professor Bhatt to confer the Doctor of Literature degree upon him. I request Professor Darshan Shankar to present the citation. We are also delighted to announce the release of the ebook titled Clinical Experiences of an Ayurveda Practitioner by Dr. Muralidhara Sharma. I request Professor Bhatt to officially launch the e-book. I request Dr. Muralidhara Sharma to say a few words.
First of all, let me thank all the team from TDU for giving me the honor. I don't know whether I'm really deserving that or not. Anyway, the other point is about the concepts from the old tradition and the current science, which need to be merged. And unless we get the benefit of both, probably the whole of the approach to the medicine may not be complete. So from that point of view, there is a need to cultivate that kind of habit, and whatever I have tried during my career of teaching as well as other way, I have tried to get the benefit of both, or rather it's a exploitation of both ancient science as well as modern science. And I hope the students from the speaking, many of them, they have already done that, and the book which is now released, the book which is released, is a purely contribution of my students. That's very interesting issue. After my retirement from service, I thought of writing a book about the clinical experience. Of course, the clinical experience in the sense academy and the practice, these are supposed to be often believed to be something which are not supplementary to each other. But after my retirement, my students asked, or they were demanding for me to write a book on the concepts of theory bringing back to the clinical practice. And the issue was I couldn't really write a book because of the other busy commitments. But our students, Dr. Ravi Shankar, especially Ravi Shankar Parraja and Krishna Gokule, they arranged a series of lectures which I could deliver. And Dr. Kishore Padwardhan from Banaras University, they have translated that the oration in the form of a book. So virtually there is not much of a contribution from my side. It's all my students. So I owe all that to my students who have prepared this book. And maybe that could be giving certain message to the next generation, possibly of how to merge with that. I think with the time limit, I would not like to talk more. Again, I thank all of you for giving this specifically Darshan Shankar sir and Prasanna Shankar, who also happened to be my student. Thank you. Thank you, Nando.